Hello, I'm Jonathan Hodgetts, owner and president of Wessex Tubas, and with me today is...
I'm Will Druitt, I'm the principal professional artist for Wessex Tubas.
And we're looking here at what I think is probably Will's favourite tuba, the Kaiser.
Could be. So, you've already seen, hopefully, maybe you haven't, if not, click somewhere and go watch it, a full video on the Kaiser, but apparently a few of you commented that there's not enough low stuff, so I've tried my best to do some low things on the Kaiser, so here you are. I hope you enjoy it.
Have you seen the original video? Let us know what you think of that and what you think of the sound of the Kaiser. It's quite a special tuba.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in another video.